Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to show you how to check to see if it's your charger that's charging your drone batteries that's on the fritz, or maybe it's something else. So come, without any further ado, let's get started. My DJI Charger is on the fritz and unfortunately I have to get a new one, but I'm going to show you, to see if whether it's your charger or the batteries. So this is the DJI Charger right here. Some of you might have this one. It comes with, I think, the combo series, and we're gonna plug it in, and hopefully we can. This is what I would use to supercharge my Avata batteries. I believe it's 65 watts. This DJI charger is a $45 charger, but we'll cover all the other specs to an additional charger that you can get that's better for $3 more or $4 more or something like that. So we're gonna use this little thingy right here. Okay, it's the AOHI little tester, and what we're gonna do is, you plug this in here, okay, and then I wonder if it goes right side up. No, so we'll do it this way. So then you plug it into here, and by default it spits out 5. And as you can see, it'll start charging, right? And then it stops charging. And this isn't really supercharging anything because this is the, but this is the one that works. So the thicker cable works fine, but that 4 volts will take forever. Okay. So knowing that and moving forward, what we're going to do is we're going to pull it out. And the thinner charger is the supercharger. That's the, I believe, 20 volts. And if you have 2 on here. You have the USB-C, and then you have the one that's directly connected. So we're going to take the thinner one, okay, and plug it in. And this is the one. This is how you can tell if it's your, maybe you're not sure if it's your batteries or it's a charger. And then see 20 volts, and it'll start. And then what'll happen is it will power out, and then start again, power out, and then where you can see it's charging, which is great because these batteries do need to be charged, but sometimes this works and sometimes it doesn't. I actually did a live support ticket with DJI because it was just not working its magic. Let's put one in this slot right here. And I would use it to charge my goggles. I would use it, this one's gonna pull 16. And now it's working, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and doesn't matter. See, there we go. And now it's, see, then it'll reboot. And sometimes it just does that. So see, again, see that? So there's something glitchy on here, the inside. We could cut that and maybe replace that, but then you'll avoid your warranty, or you can reach out to DJI and they might give you a $20 credit. All right, so knowing that and moving forward, we do have another charger here that we costs $49, and it's a 140 watt charger. So what's happening now? We've went from 65 to 140 watts. This is it right here. I'll leave a link to this in the description because it is on sale now. So you want to get it while it's on sale, because originally it's 99, but now it's 40 something. So we'll plug this one in, okay? And and as you can see, it's gone 140 watt, the youth. And you have 2 ports here. You have USB-C 1 and then USB-C 2, and then you have a regular USB A. Okay, so we'll see the different voltage that we get from there so that we can supercharge these batteries. All right, knowing that and moving forward, this is going to be USB-C 1. Okay, we'll just plug it in, and we got 19 volts. You can move it, nothing happens, as you see. So this will supercharge every, wow, even this light's moving faster. So I believe this one is USB-C 1. Okay, let's see what we get with USB-C 2. I'm going to plug this out, use this one, and now we're going to plug this one in. and they're same thing. I wonder what we get with the other one though. There's a USB, regular old-fashioned USB connector. We could definitely use this one. This one's still good. But when you chuck this, just, you know, make sure you take this if it's still good. All right, so now we're gonna see what the third hole gives us. 3 holes. Let's see, and I'll show you guys in a second. It shows you, hold on, let's just plug this one in, that it's charging. When it's done charging, the light will be green on the 140 watt charger. So let's see how much we get out of there. 5. So, you know, this is really, anyone that used this second hole on the DJI one knows that it takes forever. If it's your first time, it will take forever until you realize use the lower one. I mean the upper ones. And what you can see here, it will tell you, whoops, don't break your stuff. It'll tell you when it's charging. And then most likely, yeah, see how much slower that is. So if we switch it to the other hole, it doesn't matter because they're both putting out the same thing for USB-C 1 and USB-C 2. Okay, knowing that and moving forward. Well, we don't want a direct connection. We just want to see the power flowing. And this is a good way to test your stuff if you're not sure if something, you know, isn't charging correctly. It's a sort of a process of elimination you can do to rule out whether it's your battery thingy here or whether it's your charger. As you can see, it's charging. And in this particular case, we have a little orange LED right over here. Which is kind of neat. And then when it's charged, it will be green. And if you want to use it for your, I wouldn't use this one, but you know, if you want to use it for your soldering iron, right? So let's see what happens if we plug this out and then plug this in, and then, well, I guess we'll put this, don't break your stuff, and then plug it in. See, and your soldering iron, wow, will heat up really fast, as you can see. So ideally, you know, you could have a dedicated line for something else. But for me, I use this over here for my soldering. So I already have one, but I need that supercharge for my, wow, it went from like in a few seconds. That's just phenomenal and scary at the same time. That means that it's hot. Ow. Yeah. So don't torture yourself over, you know, the mishaps that might happen with your charger. Just get one of these things, and I'll leave a link to it in the description. And as you can see, it works with any voltage going in and out. Minimum would be 5 volts. Let's check out if this thing can be supercharged or not. Our DJI mic set. So remember, 140 watts is actually pretty good in that sense, especially with your drones and stuff. You know, when you only have 3 batteries, this one's pulling 4. So this one is, so it's only going to pull whatever it needs, which is great. So as you saw, same wire, didn't plug it out. Now it's just pulling 4.9, so you won't blow anything up, if that makes any sense. Let's see if we take that same 20 volts that it'll pull from, and see if it will. Yeah, it'll just charge your phone 95%. Supercharge it, like it'll just charge really fast. So take charge with your stuff, and you know, as you can see, this works, and it's on sale. You know, they didn't plug me in on this. I found it accidentally when my DJI Charger was on the fritz, and DJI said it's not covered under warranty, but they gave me a credit for $20, which means I probably will get another DJI charger, just for, you know, to have another dedicated charger and maybe use this for something else. But you don't really need it if you have this, because look, 140 watts. Kind of neat, huh? For less than $50. Of course, it's on sale now, but you decide for yourself. Anyway, I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.